All right, so I got my beans measured out 19 and a half or so, 19.7. Obviously this light needs to be on solid, and whatever your temperature is. Mine's 95, I think the default's 93. I just turned it up for no reason whatsoever, to be honest. I think the higher the temperature for lighter roast, the lower temperature for darker roast, I heard. So I was using a lighter roast, so I turned it up a little bit. So I'll grind those beans. Obviously, once you clean this, but I've already done that. So then I'll take this and just wipe it out. And then I'll set this kind of thing or whatever your pad is. And then these days I'm using a bottomless portafilter, which I kind of forgot to told you is a little bit different than this one. But if you're using this one and this one and the basket's in there, you know, that's a good point. And I haven't done this in a while. What would I do? I think I would find a way just to set it like so it's like the handle's off here until it's flat. You know what I mean? Because if you do it here, like you say, it's not exactly flat. So I just find that spot where it is flat, which is roughly there, and then just come down over the top of it. But I switched to this one, and it doesn't have the things on the bottom, so it just kind of drips out from everywhere as opposed to coming down the spouts. But the flow and everything else should be the same. So, and what I was saying about having it on the edge of the thing, that's, you can hopefully see this, but this is there as opposed to here or whatever. So then I distribute around, and I'll try to get you a close-up of what those look like. Consistency is, I don't know if you can tell much. I don't know about but yeah, roughly on my setting, it's, you know, it's here on the espresso, like zeros here and of course is there, so it's pretty fine, but you just have to experiment with it. Hopefully that gives you an idea what the grains are. And I just kind of come down over the top of it and press pretty firm. And from there, load it up. And I have an espresso cup or whatever, but at least this one's clear, so you should be able to see. That's 00. Sorry, this is not a professional YouTube video, but okay, so you should be able to see kind of what the flow rate's like. Looks like the pre-infusion is 1, 2, 3, 4 when it comes on. You can see it's pretty sputtering out there. And the flow increases. Until I get a steady stream, so that's pretty good actually. And so that's 38 here and 41. So that's pretty close. And then you can kind of see what that looks like, I guess. Sort of.